the basic structure of the animal cell. This is the cell membrane, and this controls what comes in and out of the cell via processes called exocytosis and endocytosis. These are the cilia, which move fluid through the cell. They pass fluid through the cell. And this is the cytoplasm, made up of water and nutrients, where the organelles live. The information centre of the cell is the nucleus. This contains our genetic blueprint, which is our DNA, in the form of chromosomes, and it also contains a nucleolus, if I can find it. Nucleolus, which makes ribosomes. So they all live in the nucleus. And the nucleus has a nuclear membrane, and this controls what enters and exits the nucleus. Next we have mitochondria. These are the powerhouses of the cell, and they turn organic molecules into chemical energy known as ATP, which is an acronym for adenosine triphosphate. Energy is released when a phosphate group is lost, turning it into ADP, which is adenine diphosphate. There's loads of mitochondria in the animal cell. Next, we're going to look at the lysosomes. These are the waste and recycling parts of the cell, and they deal with digestion. So they can take worn out organelles like mitochondria and reuse them, like recycle them into other parts of the cell. So there's a few lysosomes dotted around the cell. There we go. Next, we have vacuoles. These store water, pigment, ions, and sugar and enzymes. So there we go. These are also dotted around the cell. These structures are called centrioles, which are made up of microtubules, and they help with cell structure and deal with cell division. Actually, let's stick this over here. Part of the cytoskeleton, along with the flagella. These cell structures, organelles, are called ribosomes, and these are where proteins are made. So they're usually free-floating, and they also assemble amino acids into polypeptides. This is the Golgi apparatus, and this is where proteins are received, packaged and shipped around the cell. This structure is called the endoplasmic reticulum, consisting of the smooth ER and the rough ER. Rough ER because of the presence of ribosomes, which is the site of protein synthesis. And the smooth ER is where lipid synthesis happens, and it also stores steroids, calcium and sodium ions, and it also detoxifies the cells. And these little structures are called vesicles, which store enzymes. Dot those around the cell. So there you have it, the basic structure of the animal cell. Thank you.